Sometimes harsh black outlines can make your artwork feel too rigid or graphic. If you want that soft, dreamy, painted look, in this video I'm going to show you how to blend or even completely fade your outlines in Procreate. No redrawing needed. Hey, I'm Dee from Artsy, and in this tutorial I'll walk you through some simple ways to soften or remove outlines in your Procreate artwork. These techniques work beautifully if you're creating watercolor inspired art, journal elements, or anything you want to feel more natural and hand painted. And if you're finding this helpful already, please make sure to like this video, subscribe, and click the bell for more easy Procreate tutorials like this one. The first and easiest method for reducing the intensity of your outline on your artwork is by reducing the opacity. And you can do this by selecting your layers, then making sure you have the line art layer selected, tap on in and drag the slider to the left. This method works really well to soften your drawing without losing the structure of the outline. To make your lines blend more fluidly into the artwork, you can try a slight blur. This doesn't always work wonderfully with a black outline, so I'm going to change it for this rose. I'm going to select a slightly darker pink for my outline. Then make sure that your outline layer is selected. You can then tap Alpha Lock, go back to the layers and select Full Layer. And you can see now my outline has now changed to a dark pink and it's no longer black. And then what I'm going to do is add a slight blur to that outline. So making sure that that layer is selected again, uncheck Alpha Lock. You're then going to go to your Adjustments option. You're going to select Gaussian Blur and you're going to drag your Apple Pencil slightly to the right. Okay, you can see I've got it at about 4%. Anything more than that, you start losing that soft effect. So I'm going to keep it at about 3%. Okay, and you can see that creates a softer edge and gives it overall a softer aesthetic. You can also make your outlines interact with the colors below it using blend modes. Blend modes are amazing. So what you're going to do is you're going to tap on the line layer. I'm just removing Alpha Lock. You are then going to select N and you're going to scroll through options like multiply, darken, color burn, linear burn, normal, lighten, screen, color dodge, add lighter color, overlay also works beautifully, soft light softens it, hard light, vivid light, etc. You can play around with that and find something that works well for your outline. I think for this one, the color burn is actually quite interesting. If this was going to be a digital sticker or a clip art element, it would work really beautifully. And if you want complete control, you can paint over your outlines with the color of the surrounding area or the color within the artwork. So as we've seen, this black outline is very severe for this rose. I'm going to choose a color within the artwork to use as my outline layer. And so I'm going to go and select a darker pink, like so. I'm then going to create a new layer above my line layer, and I'm going to call this clipping mask. And then I'm going to choose a brush and one of my air brushes, my medium brush. And then I'm simply going to paint on top of that layer. And you'll see, because that is a clipping mask, it is only recoloring the black outline of the flower because that is what is on that layer, like so. And this gives a much more softer look. It takes a little bit longer, but it gives the most natural and painterly result. It's great for final touches on important pieces. A quick tip is, if you know that you'll want to soften your outline later, or in fact anytime you are creating digital art, try and keep each element of the drawing on its own layer from the start. This really makes the whole process so much easier. If you'd like printable line art, Procreate coloring pages, and digital stickers to try this on, check out my Patreon. I create new creative resources every week, and I'd love to have you join the Creation Club. I've popped the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.